Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to use Element 3D in After Effects. Let's get started. So first step, let's create new solid layer. Right mouse, new and solid. Let's add a name here, Element 3D, and click OK. Then go to Effects and Video Copilot and Element. Let's click here. And first step, let's click Scene Setup for open viewport. Okay, and for example, we can use these primitive models. Let's click here and we can create cube, sphere, cylinder, and torus and plane. Let's click cube. Okay, and also let's click preset and go to physical folder. You can use all these materials for this cube model. For example, let's select this black glass and use for this cube. Okay, nice. Let's select this arrow and move to up. Okay, let's go to again here. Let's create new sphere and move to left, move to up. Again, let's create cylinder. So let's use this chrome material for this sphere, and let's use this wireframe for this cylinder. Okay, so I want to show how to edit these materials. Let's select this box model and open here, select this black glass, and we can change here all settings. For example, let's change diffuse color. Let's click this color cube and change like this. Click OK, and we can change here diffuse like this, and ambient and glossiness. Let's see. Okay, and environment multiplayer for better reflection. Okay, so if you want to learn better Element 3D, you can try change all the settings like this. Okay, let's select this sphere and open here, select this texture, and let's see, we can change again here all settings like this. Also, let's click this checkbox for see environment. Okay, and go to environment. Let's open here, open version 1 environment folder, and let's try use this default. Okay, and this you can see also inside this environment image. Okay, nice. So let's click here environment, and we can click here for select environment image from our PC. Also, we can use other folders like this. Okay, so let's delete these models, and I want to show how to import our 3D model from Cinema 4D or Blender or 3D Studio Max. Let's go to Cinema 4D, and I want to export this hot dog to Element 3D. Let's go to File and Export and select Wavefront OBJ. Let's click here and click OK, and I will export here. Let's click Save. Okay, nice. Then back to After Effects and go to Import. Let's select this hot dog model. Also, we can import here Cinema 4D, OBJ, and Element 3D models. Let's click Open, click OK. Nice. And let's open here. We can see 3 textures or 3 single models. And let's go to Materials. Let's open Physical. And let's use flat color for this object. And we see here problem. Let's fix it. Select flat color. Let's go to here and click Draw Backface. Nice. Then go to Up and change diffuse color like this, click OK, and change diffuse like this for see this edge. Okay, so let's click again diffuse color, change color like this. Click OK, and let's use flat color for this object. Select this flat color and change to red. Click OK, change diffuse, and let's try change again like this. Okay, nice. Let's try to dark red. Or let's try yellow. No, red is good. Okay. And let's use flat color again for this object. Select flat color and change to yellow. And change diffuse like this. Then go to light and change single light to 100 ambient. Okay, nice. And let's click OK. Let's create new camera. Right mouse, new, and camera. Click OK. And for use camera controls, go to here, hold this icon. We can use all these camera settings or shortcut C. I will use with C button. Okay, nice. So select this element 3D solid, go to render settings and open ambient occlusion. Click enable ambient occlusion here. Let's click checkbox. And we can see here shadow. So let's zoom to object. Let's change this intensity 10. Okay, nice. Let's see. Let's try change 5. Okay, not bad. So also we can make animation with this object. Let's go to open one group and open for create group null and click here and select this null object. Let's press R. We can make animation like this. Let's make year rotation. Go to here and change rotation 3. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So let's create new background. Right mouse, new and solid, add name background. Click OK. Move to behind element 3D solid layer and go to effect presets, search effect fill and select the fill. Let's use for this background. Change color to blue. Okay, let's see. Nice. Also, let's select element 3D and we can change here all settings and we can change here lighting. Let's change light 100 ambient. Let's see. Okay, or we can change color cinema. Okay, that's good. So again, for learn better element 3D, you can try change all these settings, fog and reflection, matte shadow and other features. So this is part 1 and I will create again next part for show other features. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.